guys, it's Noel Chomp back here with another video. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe. Right today we got chicken and I got some Spanish rice that my sister made. It has tomatoes in it, as you can see, and right here she has like onions and carrots, and here's corn. But I'm also gonna put me some chilitos on there. Some let me get a big one. I want a big one. They're not really that big, are they? They're alright. Probably give me a bigger one. Here we go. Two big ones. I can't have too much salt, even though these are salty, but hey. This is what it is. Okay. This is the chicken. I don't know, what seasonings did you put on here, Deborah?
Lemon pepper, butter, onion powder, garlic powder. Oh, and lime juice.
I want to say you taste the lime in it. Jalapeno. Rice with tomato. These onions though right here. Okay. Let's try this corn. Guys, the only thing about corn, I like eating it. I just don't like it getting stuck in my teeth sometimes. So guys, what y'all been up to? Me, I've just been here trying to get better. Today I got to drink Coke Zero. Who here likes the Coke Zeros? Like, do y'all have a favorite? Mine personally is Coke Zero and Pepsi Zero. Like, and with onion. I love onion. Who here just like grilled onions? And the barbecue pep. I do. I love eating them. It's corn though. It's really good. And guys, I just recently got out the hospital. They maybe like a week ago or 2 to 3 days ago. Got a pick line. I want to eat some of this. I'm gonna wipe. I'm gonna spill. It's like a little frozen on the top. We good with this, like 0 sugar this and 0 sugar ice cream. Make a Coke plug. This is so good. Tastes good, that little shavings. I'm trying to get them for they all melt. Because I do have ice in here too. My sister put ice. Because I'm an ice fanatic. Excuse me, guys. Chicken is really good. I tried to pick up my fork and it didn't even go in my hand. Look how little this is. Like juicy. Real juicy. Guys, I'm not gonna eat too much of the rice because I ate a good portion of it, I think, already. Deborah, can you pass me a napkin? Oh, it's my fault, y'all guys. Like, aw, who ate my chicken? Delicious.
Whoa.
No, my onions. Who here likes eating hot stuff? And what's your tolerance? Yes, I am sucking on a jalapeno. My tolerance, I can go all the way to habaneros, but I don't think I had ghost peppers. I mean, I had the chip, but I haven't had like the actual ghost pepper. Boy, my sister made this food is really good. She always makes good food. My favorite food that she makes is like this breakfast thing. She puts like toast, egg, but the egg's not scrambled, it's over easy. And she puts it, I don't know how she makes it, but it's really good. It's like an over easy egg, cheese. It's really delicious. Maybe I'll make a mukbang on it one day. Who here like stuck it on the corn? I'm getting all that juice out. My mouth is burning a little bit. Who's here watched the Jeffrey Dahmer show on Netflix? There was only one part I couldn't watch on it. You know, the part where that guy, like, they fall in love and stuff. And I can't believe he just, like, you know, did what he did. That part, I was just like, I don't want to watch it. Like, I finished it. I just couldn't watch it on that part. I can't wait till Halloween comes up. I don't know what I'm going to put on my face, but I'm still going to paint my face because I can't, like, go chill with anybody or anything. But I'm still going to probably paint my face. I don't know what I want to be, though. I think I've been a witch for 1 year already. I don't know if I've been a vampire. Probably have, because I always say I'm a vampire. Alright guys, this food was good. It was really delicious. My sister made it very well. As you can tell, I practically finished it all. Well, I'll talk to y'all later. Remember always to chomp away. Bye!